Namaste students, in the last class we have seen about the importance of plants. Now we are going to see about the importance of animals. From the plants we are getting the many things. So even the plants are depending upon animals for many purposes. The first one is a carbon dioxide. From the animals, the plants are getting the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is an important material from the animals. The plants are getting the carbon dioxide. So by the carbon dioxide they are preparing their own food. This process we know that is called as an photosynthesis. The next is an pollination. How the animals help in pollination? What is meant by pollination? That is the transferring of the pollen grains from one flower to the another flower. So this is called as an pollination. So that is insects. The examples are insects like bees and butterflies. They will go to the flower and carry away the pollens on their bodies. From the pollens, it transferring of the pollen from one flower to the other. This is called as an pollination. So the most pollinating agent is an insects like the bees and the butterflies. They are most important pollinating agent from the transferring of the grains. The next is a dispersal of the seeds. That is, from the animal's body, the seeds have been carried away the long distance from the place of their origin and it went on somewhere else. So this is a seed dispersal. It will stick on to their animal's body and thus animals help in seed dispersal. Next is in soil fertility. How this animals help in increasing the soil fertility? The most best example is in earthworms. For example, if the farmer is fielding a crops or otherwise if you are planting some saplings, the best example is an earthworms. The earthworms is burrows deeply goes into the soil and it goes penetrate into the soil. Through this it is a well aerated and it absorb all the water what we are pouring to this plant, and it is a well aerated and it gives more fertile for the plants and it grows very fast. So it is an eco-friendly also. That is, the manure is a very eco-friendly. That is a composting manure. So the earthworms is an burrows goes into the soil. When it is feed on it, it gives some waste. That is very fertility and it is very fertile for this plants also.